Alright folks, this here is just a sneak peek at our newest lineup of the Wilcox Tactical out the front automatic knives. This is by far the largest one we've produced. The spring in it is, to say the least, overkill. It houses a thicker, longer blade. Currently we are only offering this version in the single edge. It carries a 58 to 59 Rockwell hardness. Also carries our glass breaker on the one end. Lifetime guarantee. And we will do a full review on this knife here shortly. This is just a sneak peek. It will be stocked in many of the local stores in your area here shortly. If you would like to purchase one, let us know. We'll be happy to oblige. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Until then, this is Wilcox Tactical, out.